All right, grab your notebook because in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how you can have a digital product set up in as little as a weekend, ready to start making you sales. This video is for the action takers. And the one thing I want to say right up front before we dive into the 3 simple steps, that's all it is 3 steps to get a digital product ready to start making you money in as little as a weekend. But the one thing that you've got to know is that you don't need more information. You've got to stop processing and over processing, analyzing and over analyzing, right? And you've got to decide that, you know what, I'm ready for the information that's going to bring me to the starting line and help me get started. So again, this video is for the action taker. The very, very first step that you need is to simply pick a digital product that you want to sell. You do not need to create this digital product from scratch. I do not create digital products from scratch, and I've earned over $600,000 selling digital products that I did not create, that I simply picked and started selling them. All right. Now, what I want to emphasize with this step is that you don't need to sit down and try to figure out your niche. You don't have to speculate on how you're going to build a brand. You don't have to think about your messaging. You need to pick a digital product. And what I'm going to encourage you to do is to pick a digital product that, number one, yes, you can license, meaning it's already created. All you have to do is invest a little bit of money to license it so that you can turn around really, really quickly and start selling it. What I want to encourage you to do is that when you are picking your product, pick a product that you have a lot of interest in. Pick a product where you likely either want to learn something yourself or you already have an interest and a passion in, and you can just simply license it and start selling it. And the reason why this is so important is because you're going to have to talk about this product. And it's easier to talk about this product and then drive traffic to the product when you really do have an interest in it. So if you are someone that has yet to get started and you are newer to the Make Money Online scene, choose a digital product that's also going to start putting you on and educating you to how to make money online, like how to make money right on the social media platforms, how to make money in the digital space, how to make money selling digital offers. And I just want to emphasize this is applicable for any niche. I just so happen to serve the Make Money Online niche. And when I first got started, I had an interest in wanting to learn how to make money online. And so I purchased a product that began to teach me how to make money online. And I was able to turn right back around and make my very first sale on day number 3 because I was selling something that I had a very high interest in. Like, I didn't know what I wanted to do when I came online. I just knew that I wanted to learn how to start making money online. And when I realized how simple it could be, I grew a passion in wanting to help other people learn how simple it can be as well. So it's kind of like my niche or my target audience. It really chose me. It was just a previous version of me. And so that's just the niche that I decided to stay in. Let's just say that you're in health and wellness. There are digital products out there that are already created that you can license and you can sell those products as well. So that is why I emphasize have a strong interest and or desire in the digital products that you want to sell other people. But I emphasize the fact where, like, if you want to learn how to make money online, which is probably what drew you to this video, and like, you know that you would love to sell products that you're also already using, like that's my big motto is, you know, live my best life and just simply make money by reselling the resources that are already helping me, then learning how to make money online through resellable digital products is amazing because you get to invest in a digital product that begins to teach you how to make money and navigate the internet as a place of business. And then you get to turn right back around and sell that very product to another person. But like I said, if you are in another niche, you can go out there on Google and you can type in like resell right products for fitness or for health and wellness or for cooking or for whatever. And I guarantee you can find digital products that are out there that are already created that you can license and that you can begin to sell. All right, step number 2, once you license the product, you're then going to make it yours very, very quickly. Again, we're doing all of this so that, like, let's say you decide on a Friday night that you want to get started on this journey. By Sunday night or Monday, you will have a digital product ready to start making you money. And so with step number 2, even though resale rights are a shortcut to getting started with selling digital products, you don't just want to license them and then throw them out there and start selling them as is. If you're thinking long-term and you're wanting to build something sustainable, that's me. That's how I've been online for 18 years and how I've made so much money with resale right products is take a little bit of time and actually make it your own. Very simple things like retitling it, maybe changing the color scheme, updating the cover page of it. I have an entire flow that I walk people through on how to literally jump into a place called Canva and edit their licensable digital product in just a few minutes. But you definitely want to take the time to do this because it gives you ownership and it makes the digital product yours. And we'll talk more about this in future videos, but the one thing I do love about actually going through every single digital product that I license prior to selling it is that as I'm going through the process of making it my own, I get to learn a lot about what's in the digital product, which gives me a lot of insight and content that I can actually use when it comes to videos or anything that I'm going to create to drive traffic to that digital product. So there's so many reasons why you want to take these extra steps, but it's so amazing to know that you get to start, you get to license a product, you get to edit the product, you get to really make it your own, and you can do all of this within a couple of hours. I always reference it as a weekend because I know a lot of people in my market are people that are still working their 9-to-5 jobs. And so for someone that works maybe a traditional style job, whether their weekend is, Saturday and Sunday, or whether their weekend is like a Tuesday and Wednesday, it's so amazing to know that literally like on your days off, you can actually step into and build a brand new income stream for yourself in just a couple of hours and have something out there ready to start making you sales by the time you go back to work. All right. And then the third step with launching a digital product, aka a brand new income stream in just a couple of hours, is you want to get that digital product live. So once you've edited it, you've made it your own, you're then going to put it up onto something as simple as a digital store. There are many options out there. I mean, it's 2025 going into 2026, and there are so many options to house your digital product on. I use a very simple store called Beacons. And the reason that I use it is because it allows me to go through this process very quickly. It allows me to help other people go through this process very quickly without having to overthink and without a whole lot of crazy tech. And so once your digital product is live, that's nothing more than a very simple sales page, a couple of graphics, and I actually show you, at the end of this video, I'll let you know exactly how you can get my help. Like if you love the way all of this sounds and you want to try your hand at getting a digital product ready to be sold in just a couple of hours. But you literally within just, again, a couple of hours, you can have your digital store ready to go with your product up there. And what's really exciting is that the very first transaction is going to come from you, because once you've placed your digital product on your store, you're going to do a test transaction, whether you want to, mark it down to $1 and do it at $1. But it's amazing if you've never made money online, or if you've never seen a sale come in or heard the cha-ching, then you actually get to go through the process and you get to see exactly how it looks. So literally those are the 3 steps. Number 1, you're going to pick a digital product, right? Go with done for you. Go with the licensable digital product so you can get started fast. Number 2, you're going to make the digital product your own. And number 3, you're then going to get that digital product set up on a store so that you can begin selling it. With everything that I do in my business, I emphasize speed, because speed matters than perfection. A lot of times people sit back and again, they overprocess, they overanalyze. And I'm like, what are you overthinking? Because you can't perfect something that you have no working knowledge in. The best thing that you can do is allow someone like myself to grab you by the arm, right? Guide you to the starting line and say here, trust the process. This is what we're going to do first. And this is what we're going to do second. This is what we're going to do third. And then what happens is you get in motion, things start to happen. Like for me, I made my first sale on day number 3. I made 28 sales in my first 30 days. And I didn't know what I didn't know. I clearly knew that there were people's businesses out there that look completely different than mine, but I didn't speculate or allow what I did not know to hold me back. I felt like I took the fastest path to making money, which was getting something to sell and then getting out there and then selling that thing to people. And it really built my confidence. And I think that's what a lot of people need to understand, is that you don't want perfection. You're looking for confidence. You're looking for proof that this can actually work for you. And the way to think about this is how fast can you actually go so that you can position yourself to start making those sales. And momentum has everything to do about being in motion. Once you're in motion, it's just crazy how, again, more action begats more action, momentum begats more momentum, and literally you put yourself in the way of sales popping off for you. So please write this down: speed, right, over perfection. If you can follow this process, you can set yourself up to have a record-breaking year in 2026. Then the final point is messy beats trying to plan and overthink everything. The reason I emphasize this is because while it might not seem like it's a messy start, what you do today might not be your forever thing. The digital product that you decide upon today might not be the digital product that you're selling even 6 months from now. But what if it could be the digital product that you get set up really, really quickly within a couple of hours, and it's the digital product that helps you make your first sales, right, in just a couple of days? Like the very first digital product I sold that I made my first sale on day number 3 and 28 sales in my first 30 days, I'm not still selling that to this day, right? Like there came a point in time where I moved on to something else. But those first 30 days and that first sale on day number 3, it was everything to building my confidence and letting me know that I could do this. You don't know what to plan for sitting on the outside looking in. And so steps like this and what I help my community do is it gets them into action, which is where the majority of people never venture into. They stay on the outside looking in, like wondering how all of this works, right? Versus just jumping in and allowing all of it to begin to work for them. If you would love to go through these 3 processes or these 3 steps for yourself, and you love the idea of licensing digital products that you can learn from and turn right back around and begin earning from, I put together an entire operating system to help you in doing this. Down below, you're going to see a link for something that I call my Digital Income Foundations Income Kit. It has 16 learn and earn digital products that teach you so many things about making money online and making money on the socials, how to make your first $100,000 within your first 12 months. And every single one of those guides is licensable. So you license the entire income kit and then you license all of the individual guides automatically, but it doesn't stop there because you can go out there like a lot of people and start purchasing these licensable, resellable products. And let me tell you something, it can get very, very addictive. But you can also look up and realize that you've licensed a lot of these products, right? And that you're not truly set up to earn. Like you've licensed them, but they're not making you money. What I've done is I've actually set up some free tutorials inside of my community. Yes, the tutorials are completely free. So you purchase the income kit, you come inside of my community, you access these tutorials, and I show you exactly how to pick one digital product out of this income kit, and I walk you through step by step how to get that one digital product set up in as little as a weekend or within a few hours, however you want to slice it. You'll get access to bonus resources that will help you with putting your sales page together, with creating those very simple graphics that you're going to use on your digital store. So it's like everything I talked about in this video, you get the resources to help you in putting it all together. And literally, this is your way to like test yourself. Like, can I really do this? Is what Steph is sharing, is it actually real? I prove to you that is actually real. And so again, I'll drop that link down below in the description. It's called Digital Income Foundations, and it's one of my income kits. And it gives you everything that you need to start learning how to make money online. And then you can also resell every single guide inside of this income kit. Or you can even sell it exactly how I sell it as well, meaning as an income kit for higher profits. It's entirely up to you. But go ahead and grab the kit, meet me in my community, access those free tutorials, and literally, I would love to hear your feedback on how easy this process was and how fast you actually did it. I'll see you in my next video and I hope to see you inside of the community.